pretty sure. Oh. That was fast. I am live. Yep, it seems everything's good. Okay, so this is the third round. Yep, that's good. It is showing up. I'll make sure my mic's working. Yes, it is. And yeah, so I'll get my background music in. Where is it? Okay, so this is third round of Try Jam. My mouse has been very annoying for some reason. So the theme for this game, I've already got. Very cool. So the theme for this jam is a few minutes late. And my idea is, so pretty much you're late for work. You can see how annoying my mouse has been. And you have to make it through rush hour traffic. So, the car, and there's a bunch of others on the track. There'll be that. You get the idea. And you have to go between them. And you'll have, it's a few minutes late, so let's just say 3 minutes. It's the third round and a 3-hour game jam, so I think that's fair. And at the end, you turn off into an exit, which will happen at a certain distance. See, I can't make anything too complex. God, my mouse has just been having problems since all year. Well, that is because the year just started. Anyway, so I don't want something too complex. I'll just... Oh god, this mouse is... My old mouse started breaking, so I've had to get a cheap replacement one. So, there we... I just work. Alright. So, it won't be too complicated. Maybe just like this, then a few turns. Get a boot. And then this is where you drive off. And I'll just have it so that once you pass like this line or something, it's all automatic. Actually, maybe instead of that, can you work? So instead of having it like that, I'll just have it at like, wait, no, it's 8:57. Or, I don't know, maybe 8:50, and I'll use like fast minutes so that one of these equals 20 seconds. And add Earth Mover Ultra Kill. No thanks. Okay. So what's... Music is very quiet, so... Turn it up. Should probably make sure everything's... Yep, it's picking up the audio. Alright, so... Rush Minute. That's what it's called. And let's get the That's clock. Timer. This one. It's not very interesting or complex. I'll have it down there because that's the con I don't use. And at 3:08 I will start. Okay, first I need the sprite. Why does it do this now? Sprite. Car. Let's go 64 by 128. Make sure. Hold on. Alright. Yeah. Everything's good there, so let's draw basic car in, so I'll get those guidelines up. Front of the car. And there. Control A, Control C. Actually, I should probably fix it up first. And yeah, so there's 3 steps. Two. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can't do anything with this mouse. It's so jittery. Epic Cyber City music. It is from Deltrin and it was on the stream playlist. Alright. That ends good. I just need to clean it up a bit as well. What the? Yeah, I don't know why my mouse is just bad. Hi, Malix. Egg. No, press fill. It is meant to be a car. So that's not a good sign. I cannot hear you. I can see you though. You're sibed. Oh, thank you. Toolbar. So 3, 2, 2, 1. Something like this. The tires actually now make it a bit lighter. It's hard trying to get the scale all right. Actually, no, just alright, goodbye to wheels. They betrayed me by being too difficult to draw from this perspective. And that's a bad bullet, so let's get the windows in. Need that. There we go. Yes, that is why they had to be taken out and shot. So, one line there. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very cool. That and that. I think 5. And let's something like that for the glass. It's, I don't know how to make it look nice. I do have car sprites from another project that I could just drag in, but I'll give myself a few more minutes to maybe figure this out. Why is my... Actually, now I'll just get them up. There we go, and of course it did. So where is... This is for a future video, so I don't want to say anything. 1, 2, Game Maker. There it is. Alright. This is what we've got. I'll remove those. New car. Was that true? Well, personally, I disagree, so we'll have to see how the public views it then. Mr. Totally Not ZenDuckApps. So let's get this. I'll need the viewport in. Yes, it's from another project. I should have that video out pretty soon. Give me a few days on that one. Now, let's go. I want it very horizontal, so I might do, for the width, I'll do 20 times 180. That's wait, no, that's the wrong thing to change. Width 100 and that. So this will be the map, and then I just want to, I'll create object car, just that I don't have to go back into this menu. Object car. On the horizontal border, I just want that to be, that's 640, vertical is 360. Let's get the background to a nice green. Oh, the brightness. YouTube is okay. The internet's bad. I think that's good. That's a nice grass. Alright, so let's set the sprite up. And step. For some reason this part keeps getting longer. Oh yeah, I'll need a begin step event. Begin step. Keyboard check underscore up or keyboard check or W. Oh, that's what it's bitching about. Forward equals true, else forward equals false. If forward equals true, speed plus equals 0.01. Then let's, I do also need in the create event if it would let me. This thing has a new battery, I don't know why it's been so difficult. Speed equals 0, image angle equals direction minus 90. So if I load it up in 16s, there we go. Okay, let's if keyboard check BK down or keyboard check board S backwards equals true, else backwards equals false. So let's make that 0.25. If backwards equals true, speed minus equals 0.25. If forward equals false and backwards equals false, then speed minus equals 0.01. Wait, and speed is more than 0. And I'll just do if absolute value of speed, that of 0.1, speed equals 0. Alright, that's not enough zeros. Oh, it's always that. Yeah, we accelerate, then we decelerate. And then it should, yep, it's at 0. So now, making tile sets is great when your mouse, I'm right clicking, it's not working. There we go. Trade sprite. It's not even letting me change the text. I'll change the sprite name. Sprite underscore world. Let's just make it 256 with 32. So, can you make tutorials? I might eventually. And I did do the one where I followed a game maker tutorial and added in a few of my own steps. But yeah. Why is it like this? I just want a mouse that works. Fill. Actually, I'm going to try changing the. I'll just try unplugging back in the receiver. No, that did not work. There's no other USB spots I can realistically use, so. Alright, now. Move. Two. Actually, hold on. I'm going to pause this time. I might have a better mouse somewhere. So give me 1 second. I'll be back shortly. I'm back. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure if this will be better or not. I'm not sure if it even has batteries. It's a power button. Alright. God, I need batteries. Give me another second. Why a mouse needs 2 batteries is beyond me. But here we are. Might have some corrosion, but it's working now. Oh, that is so much better. Alright. Let's lower the grid Y to 16. One, two, 3, 4. Gap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So now I've got dotted lines. Let's create a tile map. Press that below instances and a tile set. Well, damn it. Alt S. I'm just pressing keys. That's that one. I O. Oh, looks like the old one's my right-click mouse. I can just... Alright. Tile set. Alt B. Shit, there's my phone. Let's delete Alt B. Select sprite, world. And just have them as 32 by 32. And tiles. Road. Oh shit, I forgot to resume the timer. Alright, let's just say it's done at 6 minutes before it. So now if I do this, and let's go back to car and image angle plus direction. Alright, now I can angle that guy. So I think I'll want them going back to road. And then be like 3. I'll just use the line tool. And then I'll have a dotted line. don't think it works like that. Then 3. Then take this one, flip it down to 1. And we have a road. Actually decelerate pretty quickly. Yeah, it's a lost cause. Alright. Then I want to times that by negative sign speed. Nope, just sign speed. Oh, shit, that was the wrong thing. Point. There. So now it's down. It goes down. That is... Why doesn't it... Oh. Absolute value of speed. There. Yeah, now. Oh! That's why that way is so much faster. Yeah, look. And it shrinks down. Oh, let's just make it 0.1. That seems pretty, like, good. And speed is less than 20. And speed is more than negative 10. This way you can't win by going backwards. Now, if keyboard check VK left or keyboard check or A keyboard left equals true, else left equals false, then I just check right, check or D. Right equals true, else right equals false. If left equals true, direction plus equals 1. If right equals true, direction minus equals 1. Image angle equals direction minus 90. That actually might be a bit too slow. The turn. So let's change that to 2.5. Whoa. And you can actually get some pretty sick drifts sort of going though. Ah. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So I can go left and right using the thing on the mouse. That's pretty useful. Let's get some corners in. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can only make it so big. Because that's 1. It's half of however big I make it. So let's use the split view. No, that's not too helpful. Let's just do like that. That seems good enough. I can't right click unless I use the other mouse. So it is... Alright, oh shit, I just realized. I need to bring it... to there. Because of this. So... then if I just make it down by 1 each time that happens, this is probably going to eat through a lot of my time, but now it's getting tricky because I don't know what to do for these single ones. I guess I'll just leave them for the time being and go to this down here. Damn, been live for... Huh. Well, but at least come to YouTube, the stream's still healthy. 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Alright. Now I think I'll just have to go down to a single brush. That one ends. One, two, three. Yeah, stop using facts and logic. Alright, there, road done. Road. I've got a big ass turn. It's okay. Now, it's also good to do something like that because it gets me used to this new mouse, which is really mediocre. That's 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Alright. And I get the turn in. Having it just change from dotted to not is a bit jarring, but I'll just have to deal with that for the time being. And that there. So let's test how it runs. Well. Alright. This is going to be a very simple track. Just because I do not have time. All of the enjoyment will be from either killing other cars or trying to avoid them. Also, I've still got 2 hours and 20 minutes. I think I'll just get rid of the exit idea. 2. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think. Yep. Right. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. There. There. That. Alright. At the alright, that way. So this one's, I think I do it like there. Yeah, there's 2 between the O and the gap. And the line. And something that's actually nice about this round is, so everything is made, or not everything is made, but the majority of things are made by me. And of the things that aren't, I own the copyright to some of them, so yeah, epic. Because this is also going to be used in an upcoming video, but I've got a small looping beat that I will be using as the background music. Yeah, I just crammed a bunch of indie game OSTs into a Spotify playlist. Alright. These ones. That. And there. There. Then I can fill it in. Actually, should I have the divider or not? Because I'm sort of leaning against it. First comment gets to decide. No. Oh. 45 minutes in. Oh no. Yeah, let's get some trees actually. So no divider, got it. Was that note in removing it? Screw it, it's gone now. So tree. something like that. And to here, I'll make this a bit wider. And that. And I'll make the tree. I forgot I don't have right click. And I should probably also have that to there. Oh. Alright, so this is what I do normally when designing sprites. View colors, see how things look. Got those, and make adjustments as necessary. Maybe I might make this part a bit thinner. And yeah, that's good. Might get a green and a brown, make it a bit darker. Oh, that'd be really cool if I was going for a 32-bit Atari sort of aesthetic. But more saturation, less brightness, more brightness. I think it's that's sort of throwing it off a bit. Darker. No. Alright, I'm just gonna go to my older one. Maybe it's the shading. Maybe I just need... Let's go back to 60. Then let's have it to 55. Then 57. On there. Then 62. Right up the top, 65, $60, Oh yeah, 55. I'll have to draw 2 lines for this one. And then 50. Copy. Flip and paste. Then I just need to Control C. One on top, one on bottom. Then because there's nothing in these two, well, nothing new in those two, I remove them. This is something I learnt whilst making stuff in RPG Maker. So now I've got those 3. Do I do it like this? Alright, let's pencil. God, this is going to take forever. Does anyone have any better ideas of how to do this? Where's Streamlabs? Actually, wait, no. Great. I didn't notice that down here was missing one. And same over here. What the f— oh no, that one does have one. Great, an hour in. So far behind. And the mouse is sticky for some reason. This is actually way too fast, like I'm doing it in seconds. Alright, yeah, let's half the max speeds. Not 55. I think maybe 2 minutes for this would be good. Alright, now Alt O. What's the shorthand for object? I pressed Alt O. object NPC. What? Right, sprite, car, create, image index equals irandom 4. So then speed equals 7. Now here's where things get a bit annoying. So I'm going to be doing it to HTML5 JavaScript. So when I load it up, it opens it in my web browser. So you can't see it anymore, sorry. But the problem is, with these, sometimes the math is different between the two. So what I know works might not. So road equals tile map get layer that blah de da road. I need to make this string. And then to fix the problem, I just go into here, change the collision mask to be precise. So if not object, if collision what's it bitching about? Okay, well I know what that is. Anyway, going back to the future project that I cannot tell you about because I don't want to. Here's the stuff I use. That is a lot of things that just opened up. Place meeting. Place meeting X, so plus 50, Y, oh no, X, yeah, X plus 50, road, direction, plus equals 2, I'll have that be 250, so if 250 pixels ahead and 50 pixels up is not road, I forgot to put one in the room. But let's move the car to here. If it works first time, this will be amazing. But it might not. Okay. I think I have this the wrong way round. Okay, yeah. It works properly. All this for that first little bit. I can... Whenever I do this, I'll have to just change it over to Windows to show you guys what's happening. That. And then it just circles. So where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's just circling. So this is where plus degrees cos negative direction times 250 d sine negative 250 negative direction times 250. So this, if I just copy and paste that into a draw event, draw self, draw line, X, Y, Control V. I also hope I win. I should also make the image direction equals image angle on this. Wait. Image angle minus 90. Wait. No, plus 90. Plus 90. And then image angle equals direction plus 90. Shit, that's the wrong way round. So it goes fine, but that is... What is wrong with it? I think I've got those switched on the wrong way, maybe? No, they're both meant to be negative. Okay. No. What the fuck? Okay. Do I need to... But plus didn't work either. So maybe it's meant to be direction? Oh wait, I'm an idiot. I've been editing the wrong thing. Oh wait. Shit, maybe it might be plus. Okay, now so the line matches up with it. I still maybe I have a mouse that doesn't right click. So it could be that this is meant to be plus that direction. Yep, that's looking good. Alright, so that works. Now I need to make this minus 20. Minus 20. And go back here. Minus 20. Minus 20. So it sees that, and when it's not there, it turns to the left. Then I want to copy and paste that, make it plus, and then plus 20. Plus 20. So you won't be able to see the lines, but it turns there, and it doesn't go left. Alright, let's copy that, draw a new line, X, Y, Control V, back 5. So why is I'll just copy and paste the code that I used for the old project and change these to be 2. Why's there a G there? Yep, goes correctly. Goes correctly. Does overcorrect a little bit. Yep, so this all works fine. Now let's change it over to HTML. Alright. I will be live commentating over it working or not, and okay, it seems to have worked now. In the other project, it hated HTML, so I used the same code again and it worked just fine. I'll move just the whole event and increase its vision to 275. Yep, follows the road pretty well. The car is on the road and does not go off it. So now, if y is greater than, no, if y is less than negative 5, no, let's just do 128, instance destroy. So that will blow it up once I have added in the stuff that makes it blow up. I should also rename this to room main and O. There we go. Left object manager. Just getting a manager in now. So I've got 110 minutes. Let's place the cars in instances. Could also probably just change the starting angle a bit if I wanted to. I won't have them die when they go up the road just because that'd take too long to code. I'm not gonna lie and pretend that I could. I don't want to, because I want to win this. Actually, I'm actually doing a lot of cars. I probably wouldn't even have to do the whole thing. So if I load it up, because you'll only occasionally pass a car, because you're only going slightly faster than them. So going through it, I've passed a few cars. I think, yeah, you do. Oh, actually, it's perfect. I will also add if y is less than 128, direction equals 90. Alright, a few more cars, and like just a few across here. And then maybe removing a few of them, just to make it a bit less crowded, and also to give you some spots to join in the traffic. Now I'll be stealing the explosion code. I think it's in manager. No, it's probably in car then. Create. So, under manager in the create event, that. And going back to the car, destroy. So let's add in a destroy event. I am missing the explosion. And let's just add in a collision event with car instance destroy. So I'll make sure it all works first, and well, I will show you what happens Maybe collisions, maybe particles just don't work on this thing. Like, maybe they don't work. Oh, that's the problem. Oh, there's no manager. Object manager is not in this. Alright. Let's try again. So yeah, now I know it just goes to a black screen. It dissolves into code? I know that it's just missing texture files, but... What? Okay. Maybe I need to create a particle system. That's not a particle system. Create Alt K. Nope, it is still just squares of missing texture files. Particles. There we go. Change that to layer. Part type create. Shape. Let's just try flare. No. What if I Control X the shape? Because normally it's just a box. Part type shape global.particle1 pt shape explosion. Huh? Alright. What happens if I copy the code directly from GameMaker? So, it just doesn't like me is what I'm getting from this thing. So... the size... 50... 100... What does this look like then? Because pixels are all that work. Whoa, that was... Alright, maybe 510? Change the life 25, 30. These particle systems are bloody annoying. Fuck it, that's blood. Okay, so now you just splatter them. I don't think that's ethical in the slightest. Also, thank you to the seemingly 2 people who've been watching the entire thing. Wow, anyway. So, they splatter into blood. It doesn't even let me change the color. So, let's lower the speed then. Speed. Max speed is 5. Alright. I can delete that now. So this thing is going great. I can't use right click and I can't use particle. So, let's get the speedometer in. Alt O. F2. Object. Speed. That is there. Alt S. Underscore speed. So let's make the width 128. And set that. And let's get the outline. I'll just do 1 pixel around the edge. And 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. There's the speedometer. Going back to manager, let's get draw GUI. Draw sprite. Underscore speed. Wait, why did I make an object for it? Speed 0. So it's 1280 by 720. It's 60 for this 128. So I think 32, then 96, 1280. So that's 1184. 720 minus 64. 656. Let's increase the X and Y scale of it. 220C white 1. I have to deal with it being like that. So let's knock 32 off that and 64 off that maybe. Yep, now let's get a font. Font main style. Wait, no, and then the font. I've been using this probably too much now. It is M5X7, size to 50. It's a pixel art font. Draw text 1120 624 string object car.speed plus the string of km per h. And let's just draw set via line fa middle, draw set h line fa center. Yep, there we go. Wait, I think the colors are working now. Yeah, look, it's yellow, orange is red. If I go back to this, and it was here. Alright. Let's call a shape explosion. Does it work? Yes! Look at that, it's an actual explosion. It works properly. I don't know what happened, but I am not complaining. And wait, let's do round that times 5, because that seems, actually I don't think it'd be going 50, so let's do 10, just to make it look faster. And let's also draw set font main. Actually, I don't know why you'd want to reverse. And speed is and then 0. Yeah, that's better. See, I think, all the other cars have like speed like 7 or something. Collision with car. Wait, shit, wrong thing. Advent. Collision with NPC. Global.gameover equals true. Instance destroy. Control C. Control V. F5. And I need to wrap all of this if instance number object car equals 1. And why didn't I get an explosion? That's why. So if I just run back into it, 2 explosions, perfect. Now I'm just past halfway. Timer, that's right. Time left equals, let's do, so that's 1 second, that's 10, yeah, let's do 100 seconds. So now let's just do 2 minutes. Yep. And oh, I thought my computer had crashed. So let's draw sprite underscore speed 0. The X 1120, the Y what do I want the Y to be? Let's just go 96 extended 220C right 1. Then draw text 1120 96. So then if I do 08 that 58. There we go. If time down, wait no, if time left is greater than 36,000, if time left is greater than 0, it else if actually else 9 that and that, and then I need to add in time left minus equals 1. So at 124 it should, around there, it should go to 859. I just realized I need to play carefully. Oh shit. Sure, most of the cars are going at around like 50 to 60. So you need to know when to overtake and when not to. Alright, and soon it should change. Oh damn, that was only a minute. It changed. But yeah, let's make it schmeckens, as I call them, which I shamelessly stole from another YouTuber. Where 1 minute is not one in-game minute. It's a different metric of time. So in this, 1 minute is 30 seconds. So pretty soon. Oh, there, it changed to 8:59, even though it wasn't a minute. Although I think I should probably give like 4,000 seconds. I need to make a mini checklist. Game end. Slow when not on grass. Title screen. Game over screen. And then works in browser. So let's first we'll make sure everything so far works in HTML5. Yep, that goes up to the correct amount. Yeah, I think the cars are a bit more reckless. Oh god! I'm just gonna... So... that's interesting. So it's happening here. So I just move them to there. Oh. Okay, I think the problem is they turn later. I think it might be like the reference point is back here for some reason. Which is not where it's meant to be. So I'll try maybe 325. No. Wait. I think if I place him like here, they won't hit him. Famous last words. Yeah. They go... let's just make him invulnerable. If false... If false... Odd because this problem wasn't here before. It's like it only appears when there's more than one. I'll select these guys. Probably should have done the other way. Control X. And let's see what he gets up to. And we are not doing it correctly again. What is it? Oh, why? And let's bring back the draw event. Draw self. Draw line. X, comma, Y, comma. That. Control V, draw line, X, comma, Y, comma, that. Okay, that's where it is. Maybe I need to decrease their vision. Oh, fuck. That's probably the reason. Well, oh yeah, I should probably change those back to, not back, but down to 225. Yeah, it's like the left one just doesn't exist for it. The left one's the one that makes it turn right. So, I'll have to design it differently than before. I'll have it create two instances that are always like the two spots apart, and I'll make sure that they are, and then it will check each one if it's on the road. Wait. Could the issue just be that it doesn't have support for precise hitboxes? Let's just go back to here. I mean, if it works now... Holy shit, the issue is that it doesn't understand precise hitboxes. I figured it out. It's an interesting feature. I should probably report it to Game Maker. Oh, great. No more snow. If you look at this, so they were activating at the same time, and I'm guessing one of them just took priority. Alright. Anyway, let's... Great. Well, I have to redo all of the NPC cars. How long have I got? Just over an hour. This game looking good. Alright, and then fear down here. And Okay. Going through... Some of them are going backwards now. What? Why is this happening and where is it happening? Yeah, these guys are perfect. Alright, let's... Alright. Something that I can do... is go for a full view of it. So this is what happens. So yeah, I'll restart it so that that guy goes, so to go for an immediate turn there. Yeah, they just don't. You know what? Let's just make it a bit nice so I can. So. Some of them trigger it wrong. Alright, let's follow this yellow one. So it's on one of the top tiles. It goes well there. Goes well there. There and there goes well. Starting to get them finishing. Goes there and there. Like, this stuff is so much worse than in regular, like, than Windows, but I need the votes. Okay, yeah, they've figured themselves out. One's on the bottom half, so looking here, that goes on the bottom half. He does a loop. That goes on the bottom half. He does a loop. Same with that guy. That goes on the top half. Turns. This guy's on the top half. Turns, turns. Bottom half, turns. So I'm not like that guy. The problem's... Alright, I think the solution... I mean, there. Is to move them all to the top half. Streamlabs working. Yep. And here, it's like it knows I'm making a driving simulator and wants it to be on the wrong side. Some of them don't follow the rules. I think it was that guy. That guy or that? Definitely that. So they started on the top and drifted down. So these guys started on the bottom. So I think I just need to... Yeah, it's these three which have the problem. So I move them down one. Oh. That one there. Yeah, I think I need to move him there actually. So that one. Oh god, what are those four doing? Alright, these four need to be moved. I could probably also just give them their sight back. Now that I know what the issue is, yeah, they just needed more sight. And like some browser so far. Now I'm just going to remove a couple so that I get some spaces in it so that you can drive along with them. Yeah, this is good. Can sort of cheese parts of it, but now let's make it slower when you're on the grass and not on the road. So copy this. if not place meeting XY road and speed is greater than 4 speed equals 4. Let's turn the viewport to its normal 1280, 720, 1280, 720. So you're limited to 41 on grass. That way you can't skip the whole thing by just driving across the grass. Let's actually make them just a bit smaller. Scale it down to from 64 to 56. Actually, that might change too much. Never mind. Let's go back to 64. Shit, it fucked it. Sprites. Car. Delete, edit image, don't care. Alright, so slow one on grass. Let's create a sprite on thing. Underscore dark. .100 by 800. It's just going to be filled with that. Create global.gameOver equals false. Then object manager, if global.gameOver equals true, draw sprite 0 0 spin underscore dark 0. Dark, move that there. Check the origin all the way up there. And I just realized I forgot to set those up again. Actually, no, I can keep it like that. Oh, I made it not big enough. And darkness. Then where's manager? And draw text. That would be 640, 360. Game over. Draw, set, color, see, red. Right, and then just... Actually, I think I should make this like 100 or something. Cause like it's a really small font. Alright, maybe 100's a bit too much. Damn it. Maybe 80? Alright, if that didn't go to triple digits, 80 would be perfect. So 75. 70. So annoying having to constantly drag it over. Yeah, that fits perfectly. Alright, and then let's bring back the instance destroy. So then when I crash, game over. And it needs to stop drawing the clock. Why didn't it? Control X, Control V. And then I want to step if time left is less than or equal to 0, global.gameover equals true. So let's just lower that by that much. Then, once it hits 9, game over. I can still move, so let's... if global.gameover equals false, if global.gameover equals true, speed equals 0. So I'm racing, trying to get there on time. Dead. I'm responsibly racing, trying to get there at a reasonable time. Game over. And back to manager. Have it draw, set, color, C, white. Now this will still be white even when it goes to red. Ooh. That is game over screen. I cannot decide if I want to... Actually, I don't think I've got the time to do something nice, so let's just do... It says you win. Or level complete. Actually, I probably could make a little thing. So, Alt S. Underscore win 1280 720 64 64 Now let's double it, 128. Start. Yep. So let's just go. There. And 5. Up that to size 30. You arrive to work on time. And then size 100. You win. Now, in this little spot here, let's get some skyscrapers. Yeah, let's just tell them like 70. And bit of this. Alright, now let's get the road in. No, just a bit on the side. What the? Then let's make it a sidewalk of sorts. No, I did not release left click. That is bullshit. Then 70 and fill. Now let's draw a car. Let's up that by 2, 3. Alright. Is it there? And there. Too far apart. Like there. White car. I wish I could turn up the DPI on this thing. It's so low. Bing bang bong bing bong ding. Let's get the windows in. I swear my whole computer has it out to get me. It's just been so bad the past few days. Door handles. I might not even use that, it doesn't look amazing. 40 minutes. I did not feel this with the other ones. Alright, let's do the title screen. Right, no. Alt R? No, that's Radeon. Oh. Underscore title. 720. Alright. Tile layer. Tile set 1. Yep, that's right. 1280. 720. Old lady. 720. Now look at the size of this thing. So let's just use a bunch of trees instead. And I've got to copy the RGB from here. I go around fixing any broken trees. Then Alt S, title 1280, 720. Add a plane. I mean, I might be able to, but it would definitely be a bit close. I could just have them as like a particle of sorts. I'll add them if I've got time. First, let's get this rush minute and space into there. Yes. Rush minute. I need to lower this whole bit by 2. And then I'll just add in press space to start. Get that all looking nice. Asset layer. Just move it maybe there-ish. Then I want to Control A, Control C, a new layer beneath it. And just add a bit of drop shadow. Wait. Alright, I'm on it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. There, that looks nice. Then I go into Manager. global dot game over equals false. If keyboard check UK underscore space room equals rm main. Move title up. And let's just chuck this into here because it doesn't matter. In fact, it'd probably be worse off if it's like that. That's 3 hours. So if it loads up, I haven't put in. Oh, I don't have manager in there. Assets. Manager. Make it persistent. Go to main. Instances. So I load it up. Space to start, boom. There is a bug. What's the problem when I die?
Hey Ted, do you know what pixels?
Sorry about that. What was the problem again? Destroy event in object car. Requested particles. Create argument 1 invalid reference. Particles. I don't remember removing that from there. Wait, what? Oh, it doesn't have one, does it? No, because they're made in the manager. Add event. Other. Room start. There we go. Yeah. Keyboard check pressed DK underscore space game restart draw text 640 500 press space to try again. Why does it restart? Oh, I don't think I have it set for that. and room equals rm title. When I crash, takes me back there, perfect. Oh yeah, I also need to add in music. Sounds. Let's get explosion. That's probably loud enough. And the music. I'll pause that. This is what it sounds like. Yeah, as you can hear, it's pretty fucking banging. So, manager. God, I'm just rushing for time here. Create and step. Main. Yeah, it gets louder. It is difficult. Oh yeah, the time ran out. Alright, I'll do a quick test run. Need to figure out when a good time is to overtake. Alright. So this one, the spots that I sort of designated. Whoa! Is that the final one? Oh, they see too far ahead. Shit, yeah, that makes sense. Oh wow. Where is that one? So, where's that? Step 200. I don't think I'll knock that up to 200. I mean, it is part of the brand. Have you seen any of my videos? I'll try. 256. That should be a good amount. Alright. See, hopefully they won't just go wild when I get there. Damn it. I'll also... Alright, I think... Time to figure out how on earth I get auto tile set up. Auto tile. Oh, it's in the tile set editor. Oh no, that one would be that. No, that's that. Alright, let's try auto tiling with this. It will not work well. So I have 21 minutes to put a ton of trees in here. Damn it. I have to rename it like this because of reasons. Trees. Lock that layer. Select tile set. Tile set 1. I wish I still had my auto clicker. I don't have it anymore. It keeps disappearing from me. I'll have them somewhat spaced out. And I'll have so that if you hit a tree, you explode. Because that's funny-ish. That's what I'm asking. Auto clicker .exe. Not there. Auto clicker .exe. It's gone. So when you hit one of these trees, you'll explode. does sort of make the going slower when not on the road useless, because no, I have a, if it did exist, it would have showed up. I'll just auto clicker. Download. There we go. So then I can just F6. That is way too fast. Yeah, no, it's too difficult to get in the timing right, so I'll just do it manually. Oh my god, this thing's huge. And I have almost done half of this. And my wrist is hurting like hell because of it. Yeah, I'll have one thing that's 2. I mean, you probably could squeeze between one of the 2 gaps, but don't care, I've got 13 minutes. Alright. Oh, my wrist is hurting like hell. Alright, let's just get... step. If y is less than 256, if y is less than 0, global.gameWin equals true. And here, global.gameWin equals true. And global.gameWin equals false. I need to go back to here and change that to false. If global.gameWin equals true, you win. C underscore green to play again. Go back to that. Change this to an else. Or wait, no, not or. And global.gameWin equals false. Minus 128. Alright, let's instances. Green is a bit too dark. C lime. Dash N. Press space to play again. Dash N, press space to try again. This should split it up nicer. And then if I die... Alright, let's have tree collision in. Trees. Alright then. If place meeting X, Y, trees, instance destroy. And let's move this to here. Alright, now audio, play sound, the explosion to false. 0.05. Five? Whoa, that was fucking loud. Freaking loud. Point 0.5. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So, I just need to put all the trees in and make sure it works. HTML5. I'll do this one first because it's more important. So that works. That works. And if I just drive down... So yeah, I'll just go this way until I eventually meet a car and will explode. Okay, well, I mean, that's not really a problem. Just a bug. So... trees. Yeah, sorry Blaze, I don't think I'll be able to get that airplane in. Alright, and... I'm getting close to the end of this part, the end of the bottom of the road. There's cars now. I think cars appear on like 4 parts. How many games have I made so far? 'Cause I've definitely made a lot. Four minutes left. It works in HTML, so I will get more votes and definitely overtake him this time. 'Cause I want to win against the ZenDuckApps. That is what I deserve. Totally, it is not my... Well, I am being correct. Don't you guys agree, Malix, that I am the objectively best game developer? Right, and the trees are just about in. Oh wait, now I need to worry about... Alright, let's just do... if x is less than 0, global.gameOver equals true. Actually, and Mali X. Okay, and text. Oh no, game over text equals quote nice try. Back to manager on create. Game over text equals game over. Then wait. Object underscore manager dot game over text plus that. Wait. And speed is more than 0. Speed is more than 0. Alright, that works. 1 minute, 1 minute. That stuff that's been drawn. Yeah, delete the draw event. Okay, I think that's everything. It starts there. I'll just put in a few more cars in case some idiot decides to speedrun it and realizes that the cars just stop pretty quickly. Add one more thing, add one more thing. Well, that is time. Windows. Oh no, I don't need the explosion sound effect. So, oh yeah, I was going to give it a bit more time. I'm not entirely sure how it fits the theme. Okay, so I'll have to put some story in there. You didn't see anything with that. There was probably enough time in bloody missed stuff. Now, it is time for the tradition at this point. At the end of each stream, it is time for... Actually, I'll save this. I think... Oh yeah, it's just that. It's time for Wordle. Download. Yeah, I'll have two things for that anyway. Well, that was a great start. Also, all the download links will be available on itch. I'll post a link into the community tab. Anyway. Ooh. Dunes? No. No. Okay, so that's where the O is. Could be... D, O, X, and X. Alright, Mally X, what do you think? Mally X, I mean. Oh, that's the word. 1 O. Good. That can't fit. And it doesn't match with anything. It's D O something like this. Doing. I'm a genius. Well.